Hello and welcome back to another DIY video. Today we're going to be working on my TRD off-road. We're going to be changing out the lettering badges right here. You see how right now it's just kind of raw? I'm going to be filling it in with these little black letterings. But before we get started, thumbs up, subscribe. We'll get started here in a moment. So now the only tools you're going to need for this is going to be some alcohol right here, some isopropyl alcohol. I don't even know how to say that. Some alcohol, and then a microfiber cloth. We're just going to clean all the loose debris off of this. That way the adhesive for these stickers right here will stick better to this mating surface. Alright, so I just put some alcohol on here. Again, we're literally just cleaning it up like this, just so that you can have it better. There's something there. Better mating surface. After you wipe all of this off, go back over all of them with a dry side of the microfiber cloth. Alright, so here we go on here. Take that off. Okay. You're going to start with the T, or I am at least. So these inserts, in theory, should fit right into this little slot right here. So I'm hoping that is true. Okay, well that was pretty easy. I'm just going to hold it on there for a few seconds. Alright, so I just held this on for about 20 seconds or so. I'm going to do the rest of them and I'll show you finished outcome here in a moment. Alright, so this right here is going to be the finished product. I think it turned out pretty well, especially considering it was only like 20 bucks. Let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, see you in the next one.